why I joined CCL to start my journey. There is no sufficient information available on the web regarding the Nati because I was preparing for Hindi, so there's no such like material. Unlike PT, I found in Quora about your institute. I was just trying to read all the reviews. Then suddenly I just tried to find the number of the CCL just to get just knowledge, about it, that how it is and what are the reviews. And I think I got in contact with Kunal, and then he told me that I can have a demo session. I was like that, yes, I want to learn because I was not that much confident maybe to execute what I have for the exam, because the exam is very expensive. So that's why I wanted to have somebody telling me whether I'm going in the right or the wrong direction. Instead of going for the group classes, I wanted to have one-on-one classes because I believe I need some nourishment. So I offer like one-on-one classes. I took 5 classes, and I think you made me ready in 3 classes. And in one of the classes, we were just all having like all the doubts sessions and exam preparation, like before the exam preparation. So I think all the mock tests and the examples provided by you were like really great, because you made me practice even the toughest ones. When I was really giving the exam, I found that one like really easy. Having a mentor to guide you throughout the journey is really good. Everyone should take guidance if they are not confident like giving the exam on their own.